Why Peer Gynt? Because many theaters, when I started to work around the world, asked me, when you're going to do your full-length ballet? And I think it was an instinctive decision. It was the very first performance I danced as a dancer with 18 years old when I joined Slovene National Ballet in Maribor. So probably the tunes of Edvard Grieg kind of like recalled beautiful memories. So I started to create the libretto, and then I realized that the existing music, which was actually not written for ballet, but for the play of Ibsen, was not sufficient for my vision. So we're gonna listen to I could say, a whole opus of Greek music. Piano concertos, string quartets from Holberg's time, so it's the whole universe of Greek, which I wanted to bridge with Ibsen's story. We've been staging the piece in other European theaters like Vienna State Ballet, or recently with Zurich Ballet, with Latvian National Ballet in Riga, and even far east with Novosibirsk Ballet in Russia. It's become a trademark of our company, and I couldn't be more happy to share with the public in Hong Kong this wonderful production, which I'm sure is going to be received, probably even better, as elsewhere around the world.